Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the game Escape from Tarkov. You got a Unity crash error while launching the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in a basic step, I highly recommend if you are using Kaspersky antivirus, make sure you disable it or completely uninstall it from your system before launching the game, because this is the major cause behind this Unity crash error. After uninstalling, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type a percentage, local app data percentage, and then hit the enter key. Now in this address bar, click on the option App Data. Now you will find 3 folders over here. You need to open each folder one by one. First one is local. Find a folder with the name Battle State Games. Once you find the folder, right click and choose the option Delete. Same thing you need to do with local low. Find folder with the name Battle State Games, right click and delete. Thirdly is roaming. Again find Battle State Games folder, right click and delete. After doing these steps, go ahead and try to relaunch the game, and this will fix out the Unity crash error. Although if this fails to work out, in next step you need to open up your web browser. In web browser, here is the download link of the launcher. Copy the link right from this description of this video, paste in your browser, and then hit the enter key. This will download the BSG launcher right into your system. Wait for it to finish downloading. Once it is downloaded, you need to install it. Like I have already installed this Battle State Game Launcher right into my PC. After installing, launch the launcher. Select language and hit continue. Once it is started, you do not need to log in. Simply launch the Steam and then hit the play option to play the game. And if this also failed, you need to open the installation directory of the Battle State Games launcher. Generally it is installed in C drive, Battle State Games, and here is the BSG launcher. Right click on the exe file, go to its properties, in the compatibility tab, check mark the option run this program as an administrator, hit apply and OK button. Now launch the game, and this will surely resolve your Unity crash error while playing the game Escape from Tarkov. That's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.